Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Alright, so in order to move your USDT tokens from your Tonkeeper wallet over to your Binance exchange account, all you need to do is simply open up your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you've opened this wallet up, make sure you have some Ton coin to cover your gas fees. If you do not, use the buy or sell option to simply buy some external Ton coins to cover your gas fees. So once you've bought yourself some Ton, click on the USDT, click on the send option. Alright guys, make sure you provide your address and the comment in order to send your USDT tokens over to Binance. You can get this comment and address from Binance by simply minimizing, opening up the Binance application. Once it's opened, click on the add funds option, click on deposit crypto, and then select USDT in your trending search. Click on USDT, scroll through and click on the Ton coin, and this wallet requires both a memo and an address. So copy this, minimize, open up the Tonkeeper, paste the address there, required comment, head back to Binance, copy your memo, paste the memo there and click on continue. By doing this, you can successfully send your USDT to the Binance platform without any issues. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.